Hey, it's Becca from the Saunders Pack, and today we're going to learn how to make some frozen apple yogurt treats. So I am so excited to try this recipe. I found it from irresistiblepets.com. Amy runs the website there, and she posted this article in 2014. And I was shocked to see how easy it is to make these treats and how healthy they will be for the dogs, and I'm very excited. So I'll show you what you need here. You're gonna need 2 apples. We're doing green apples because they're what we have, but you can use red apples too. So 2 apples, and you're gonna need Greek yogurt. And that's it. That's the only supplies you need. So the first thing you wanna do is measure out a cup of Greek yogurt. So it's 1 cup of Greek yogurt to 2 apples. So we're gonna see how much we've got here. I figured it was just a matter of time before the dogs showed up. Let's see. It looks like we've got about a cup and a half, maybe 2 in this container. I'm gonna use the rest of the Greek yogurt we have, and then I'll do however many apples we need. Okay, so we've got about a cup and a half there, so I'm going to end up using 3 apples. And I'm going to let our little helpers lick the spatula. Puppies, treats! Yes, it's a very good day when this happens. Here, does somebody want to go in here? Sierra wanted to go outside to play ball, and she has no idea what she's missing right now. Okay, that's it. So now what you're going to do is put this yogurt aside. And you'll get out a cutting board, and we're going to get our apples ready. So we have our apple slicer from Pampered Chef, which I love. That's going to help us out here. And I'm just going to go ahead and let you know that I've always been very bad at cutting fruit. So that's 1 apple down. We're going to go ahead and put it in the blender. You want to make sure, if you don't have something like this, that you get the core out and make sure that there's no seeds or anything. Ow, got my finger. I just sliced my finger on the apple slicer. And I'm bleeding here. I am bleeding on 2 fingers from cutting an apple. I'm so irritated with myself right now. Since the dogs have been so good and patient, I'm gonna give them each an apple slice. I mean, just look at them down here. I say that, Stella walks away. They've just been so good. Okay, Scrappy, come back. You want a treat? Okay, Stormy. They've had apples before. We like apples. Scrappy's not in the mood. There he goes. And I'll put 1 apple aside to save for Sierra when she comes in. Okay, back to business. So next we're going to get our Greek yogurt in here. And then we're just gonna add some water. So I've got this filled up with water. We're gonna pour it in. It did not specify how much water to add, so I just filled up 2 cups worth and put it in here. And now it is time to blend. I think we're good now. Gonna see if there's anything in the bottom there. Nope, we are all good. Okay, so something I forgot to mention before that you'll need are ice cube trays or little molds so that we can freeze this mixture. We're gonna use the same measuring cup as before, and I'm gonna try to pour from They're going to go in the freezer, and we still have some of the mixture left. I think I added too much water, which that's not a big deal because we're gonna freeze them and we have so many dogs that I don't mind having extra treats. But if you want less, definitely put less water. So we're gonna pour this into these little disposable cups and just let them taste it. That looks about even to me. So next I'm gonna call the dogs in and we're gonna let them try it. And I wanted to show you this too. Scrappy has been right here by my side looking up all the stuff that's spilled, and he has some on his back and it's just really cute. So that's our little helper with the Greek yogurt mixture on his back. And he has no idea. You want to try it, Scrappy? No, he likes it. I hope that he'll like it frozen too, but judging by this, I think he will. Look, there's some on my hand. You want to get it? Right there. Look. Okay, all done, boy. Finished. Oh, she's licking it up so fast. She's splashing it on me. Look at that face. That is just a dirty, dirty face. Hello, hello. Immediately cleans the floor. Getting excited? Okay, Stormy, place. Stormy, place. Hey, do you want your treat? You gotta get on the place. Good girl, thank you. Sit down. Good girl. You ready for yours? There you go. Oh, just as messy as Stella. This is like the loudest I've ever heard a living being drink. You want more? There's a little bit more in there. They know that it's treat trying time. See our place? Thank you. It's her apple that she didn't get earlier. Place. Good girl. Need an apple? You more interested in what's spilled around? There you go, ma'am. I don't know if you can see her face well, but she is so serious about this. Well, they all really like the mixture, and that's great. So I'm sure that they'll all really like the frozen treats. It's just such a simple and easy recipe. We've almost always got supplies for something like this on hand, and so this is really easy to do when we're out of treats, which we currently are. And I'm so glad that they like them, and it's healthy. I always feel better feeding them something healthy. Okay, so it's been a few hours, and we've gotten the treats out of the freezer, and now I'm gonna give it to them. So I have a little lady dog treat for everybody. And Scrappy is literally licking his lips right now. So are you ready? Sit. Sierra. You gotta grab it, baby. I don't think she was expecting it to be cold. Stella. Scrappy. Stormy. Everybody gobbled it up. They're excited. You guys want some more? Do you want some more treats? Okay. Everybody can have one more. Yummy. Okay, so that's what we'll be using for training the next couple sessions, and it looks like it's going to work out well. Good job, everybody. Free. Thank you so much for watching. We're going to continue showing you new treat recipes. If you have a recipe that you'd like us to cover on the channel and see our dogs try, let me know. You can always email us at thesaunderspack@yahoo.com. Feel free to comment below any suggestions, anything. We love hearing from you. Like this video, support us, and subscribe if you want to see more. And until next time, we'll see you later.